Conquer any terrain with confidence. Meet the Dongfeng 4x4 all-terrain bus, engineered for toughest environments. Powered by a robust Cummins 4.9-liter engine and a manual 8-speed gearbox, this bus delivers reliable power. Its high-low range transfer case and full-time 4-wheel drive ensure maximum traction on sand, mud or rocky paths. Moving on to their body structure, built on a rugged body on frame chassis with a 3.5-ton front and rear axle. It's designed to last. With a high ground clearance of 315 mm and a wading depth of 550 mm, no obstacle is too great. Spacious enough for 21 passengers plus 2 additional seats. It offers a comfortable 1820 mm interior headroom. Enjoy amenities like dedicated air conditioning, leather seats, multimedia and reverse camera. Safety is paramount. That's why we have added simple escape safety door for quick evacuation in emergencies. Combined with protective exterior guards, a roof rack and multiple storage compartments, this bus is ready for any mission, be it mining, firefighting or troop transport. Ready for any challenge? Choose Dongfeng, where durability meets versatility. Dongfeng 4x4 all-terrain bus built for extreme, brought to you by Hubei Opto Special Vehicle.